Okay, let's make a resin ring in less than 5 minutes. What should we put in it? This is some of my bits and bobs from doing workshops. Let's do the smiley faces, shall we? Let's do a smiley face ring. Okay, so all you're going to need is silicone mould, some of these, and the best thing about UV resin is you don't have to mix it, so we can go straight into making a ring. Just going to make a small one, and you can put your UV resin straight into your mould, no mixing. I just like to scoop out any bubbles, or you can pop them. It's more than usual in here actually. Okay. Then you can just go ahead and whatever you're going to put in your mould, just start to place them around. You could do flowers, you could put spices in, you could put glitter in there, pigments in there, anything really, as long as it's dry. You can see them all in there. You just need to make sure you've topped your ring up, your mould up right to the top. So I'm just going to squish a bit more in. Make sure everything's covered. Just to double check, I'll just run a flame over there for any micro bubbles. Okay, next step is just to stick it under your UV lamp. There we go. I like to put my mould on top of a mirror so that it gets double the effect of the UV light. I'm just going to leave it under there for a couple of minutes. Once you can feel your ring is hard, just pop it out of the mould, and you will need to grab yourself some wet and dry sandpaper. Use it with some water if you want, I prefer that, and just use from rough to smooth and just sand down the side of the ring, which is rough, until it comes up to a lovely buffed finish, which might take a little while, but I mean literally just a minute. You can easily make yourself one of these rings in 5 minutes. So there's mine. Let me know what you think in the comments. Anything else you'd like to see in a ring? And I hope you have a lovely day. Happy making.